Hello everyone, in today's video, we will be making a traditional Japanese soup, the miso soup. Miso soup is a traditional Japanese soup commonly eaten for breakfast, lunch, and dinner in Japan. It is made of soybean paste, dashi fish broth, and dried wakame or seaweed. You'll be surprised how simple to make miso soup. My version of miso soup only consists of 3 ingredients. We will need soybean paste, a pack of tofu that is medium firm. The tofu is cut into small cubes, and dried wakame seaweed. We need to soak the dried wakame in hot water for 10 minutes or so until it expands. Wakame seaweed is a species of kelp which is usually sold dried in Japan. It is commonly used in soups and salads. It is 100% plant-based. Research suggests that a compound in wakame known as fucoxanthin can help burn fatty tissue. Go check Google. Here's what it should look like after soaking in hot water. Then, scoop some miso paste in a bowl and add hot water to soften. Dissolve the miso paste using a spoon until it becomes soupy. There are different types of miso paste such as Shiro, awase, mild, sweet. I use the Shiro type, which has the lowest salt content amongst the miso soups available. Shiro miso is also known as Kyoto style miso soup. This is how it should look like after mashing it and before adding it to the soup. Boil the tofu cubes in a pot of water. Rinse the soaked wakame, then add it to the pot to boil with the tofu. The last step is to add the miso paste. Just a note, miso should not be cooked or overheated. We are simply heating the miso paste, not cooking it. A typical miso soup would have dashi stock in it. Dashi stock is a fish stock that can come also in the form of powder. You can find it in your local grocery store, a Japanese grocery store. I prefer not to have the dashi stock because the miso paste is already very flavorful and salty. This is ready to serve. I hope I inspired you to make miso soup at home. Japanese cuisine is one of the healthiest in the world. The seaweed, soybean paste, and tofu are good for your health. Japanese people eat miso soup almost daily. It is not surprising. The average life expectancy in Japan is 88 years old for Japanese women and 82 years old for men. Thank you for watching. Itadakimasu!